Here's a new obsession. Looking for quartz and quartz crystals. The first one I found looks like it's been cut, but that's how I found it. And I found some other one pieces. Look like glass. They're not glass. Completely see-through. All these still probably need to be cleaned up. Most of those are kind of clean. I just sprayed them off. They're still all dirty. It's more of a white crystal. So that's all I wanted to do is go find some more. Hope you're having a good one. Appreciate y'all.